So I'm in Punakha, Bhutan today, the Kingdom of Bhutan, at the top of the Golden Temple after a very, very long, hot and sweaty hike straight up. And boy, was it worth the hike. This is one beautiful place. Take a look. It is beautiful. Here's my guide Tara to tell you a bit more about our trip to the top of the mountain. Go!
Hi, we are heading to the Golden Temple, which was built by the Queen Mother. It was built in 1999. It's quite a steep climb. Of course, we will be walking on the rice field, which is quite wet. It's so lovely. We'll have a great view from the top.
From the city of Punakha, it's a long hike through the Punakha Valley on a trail that begins with this suspension bridge. I thought the bridge looked safe and sturdy. That was at least until Tara told me the bridge pillars are 500 years old. Oh my God. But it looks like we made it. Here in Bhutan, the local name of the Golden Temple is Khamsum Yulley Namgyal Chorten. And by the way, a Chorten is nothing more than a shrine dedicated to Buddha. Now, our route to the Golden Temple is through rice fields, along streams and forests. Most of it is straight up, and today it was hot, hot, hot. A Bhutanese entrepreneur out on the trail, renting walking sticks, selling guava, and of course, for a small fee, you can use that bathroom right there. A hot spring stone bath, maybe next trip. Buenos dias. Hello, 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 hello. As we are walking along, here's a fascinating part of the story. The Golden Temple was built to protect Bhutan from evil forces and to help bring peace to the world. Now, these are great objectives, and Bhutan is known as the #1 country in the world for gross national happiness. So perhaps it all worked. As we are hiking through the hot Punakha Valley, the valley is quite surprising in that it is subtropical, and that means hot and rainy, certainly compared to other districts in Bhutan. And again, it was hot today. The locals have told me that snakes are prevalent in this valley, including deadly cobras, kraits, and so on. And if you don't know, kraits are the ones that have an almost imperceptible bite, and then you fall down and then you die. And we are about to enter, at last, the Golden Temple. Let's take a walk around the grounds before we head into the big temple. As Tara mentioned earlier, Khamsum Yulley Namgyal was built by the Queen Mother of Bhutan. It took Bhutanese carpenters, painters, and sculptors 9 years to build the big 4-story pagoda-style golden temple, plus a lot more time for the various smaller pagodas and statues surrounding it. Now, the art and statues inside the Golden Temple depict wrathful, angry, fierce deities. I can't show you the video because they don't let you video inside, but take my word, statues and shrines to these angry deities are found throughout the big temple. Alrighty, we are about to head into the temple. Finally, we reach the rooftop of the Golden Temple. If I look hot and sweaty, it's because I'm hot and sweaty. It was quite a hike up here. This is a statue of Buddha Sakyamuni in his classic pose. The very serene statue looks to the south, surveying spectacular views right here across the Punakha Valley. A golden temple built for the sole purpose of heading off all negative forces only in beautiful Bhutan.